Slice and Band. Today on the Treble Clef staff, we're going to be building chords. Specifically, we're going to be building triads. Now, as you're building your triads, we're going to construct 50 of those. I'm giving you 10 errors allowed for this. Remember that a triad is made up of a unison, that's the starting note that they're going to give you, a third, and a fifth. Now, what's important here is as we're starting to expand the number of notes that we're using, you have to think about the key signatures more carefully. All of the triads we're building today are key signatures that we've already practiced in key signature identification and scales that we've practiced already in scale building activities. Again, we're in level 10 doing this today. So let's build some together. Okay, so first thing, you have a C, and put your starting note on here. Now, C major, C has no sharps or flats in the key, so I can go ahead and add my third, and then I can count up 3, 4, add my fifth, and all of these will be natural. D major, now thinking about D, the D scale or the D key signature has two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. So if one of those is in my triad, I have to make sure that I include that as a sharp. So I'm going to go ahead and put my starting note here is D. When I go up to my third, I notice that this is going to be an F. So I have to switch over to adding a sharp note and add that in. Now going back here, when I count my 1, 2, 3, 4, my fifth, that's an A. A is a natural note in the key of D. C major triad, we've just done this one. I will add this in. E, G. G major triad, I'll add this here. Key of G we know has one sharp, that's an F sharp. Let's count up and see if we encounter one of those. 1, 2 is a B, that's going to be natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, adding our fifth, that is going to be a D. D is also a natural note in our G major triad. Now here's one of our new ones. This is new one that I wanted to make sure that I showed you today. Your A major triad. So you start with your A. Now the key of A has 3 sharps in it. It has an F sharp, a C sharp, and a G sharp. So as I add my third, I notice, I have a sharp here. This is C. So C is one of my sharps in the key signature. I have to switch to the sharp down here. Then I can plug this in. I go back to natural. Let's see if we are correct. 3, 4. That's going to be an E in the key of A. E is one of our naturals. So I'll go ahead and add that in. So again, you're going to build 50 of these today, and you have 10 errors to use to complete this successfully. If you have a question beyond what you see in this video today, use your ToneSavvy support request form. Visit me during office hours. Remember that you need to submit all work that you're doing in here, either through Submit Best Effort or Submit Results if you finish the exercise. Good luck. Game on.